Hello everyone, this is Kat, Wool Gathering Scene. Today I'm gonna journal about our washing machine. I know. I think mid-February, I think it was, or maybe third or last week of February, our washing machine broke down. It was very violent to us. It was rattling like crazy. Crazy thing is my husband and I were just talking about how, people or, us, we don't get things fixed anymore. If something breaks, we would just resort to buying a new one. So we started looking at new washing machines, of course, and they're a bit they're pricier this time around. We got ours 6 years ago, and yeah, it's supposed to have a 10-year warranty, but yeah, we still need to pay the parts and services to get it fixed. But at least we're only paying a fraction of a cost as opposed to buying a new one. Because I really like our washing machine. You could fit a queen comforter in there with no problem, and I'm pretty sure a king would fit as well. And there's no barrel in the middle, that's why I like it so much. Anyway, it broke down on us. We had it fixed, but it took forever for it to be fixed. I think it took about a month or so, because the first week, anyway, I'm gonna start journaling while I talk. So the first week we called it in, maybe on a Wednesday or Thursday, I think it was. And of course, you know, they won't get back to us until Tuesday the following week. So comes in our the repair guy on that Tuesday, and he looked at it, only stayed for 30 minutes, and he said he already ordered the parts, so wait about 2 weeks. So after 2 weeks, the parts came in, and so the tech guy came by to fix, or the repairman went back to fix our washing machine. I mean, I don't know. Should I blame myself for not checking if it's working or not? But when he said, "Oh, it's working," and then he left, and after the first wash, it was already having problems. It won't drain. The second time, it won't drain. I had to set it up to drain, and the last time I did it, third time, it just got stuck on drain and nothing's happening. So we called it in, but there's an issue, like for them to get back to us. They're gonna call in for, it'll be another couple weeks, and yeah, another 2 weeks, and then they like, and we're like, and then they're asking us to pay when we haven't even had it fixed. So, and we're starting to think it's a scam. Anyway, 2 weeks later, guy went back again and fixed it. Finally, it worked this time, but his final words when he left was like, "If it doesn't work, call us again." So he's kind of sure that it's not gonna work, or he's not sure if it's gonna work. I don't know, but it did work. Thank God. Now our sewing machine feels brand new. So yeah, it took about over a month to fix it, only because we were having issues with the repair people. It was a mess. Okay, anyway, I bought these paper. It was a set of 6 by, is it 6 by 8? I think it is. Yeah, it was a pad of 6 by 8 paper. It came with stickers and alphas, I believe. It also came with this. It was a whole set. I think if I'm not mistaken, I got it from Peachy Cheap. Something, yeah, I think so. I got it from Peachy Cheap or scrapbook.com. I can't remember anymore. But I guess at that time I thought it was amusing to buy house related ephemeras. A vacuum. Let's talk about a washing machine. Yeah, I mean, it was amusing at that time, I guess, when I bought it, but then when you're actually gonna use them too, because there's a problem, it's not so amusing. And the thing is, it came with 2 of these things, or 2 of each design. What am I gonna do with another washing machine? I think I was in adulting mode when I press add to cart on this thing. Definitely bury that. Okay, I'm not gonna use those. Maybe this, not the house, not that one. I have an idea for this. And also, so I have this bowl of washi tape. I gravitate towards this. It's my favorite one out of the bunch, but I told myself that I'm not gonna use it. I'm not allowed to use it for now. I just need to use the rest of them. Anyway, the moral of the story is whatever topic that you have in your head that you do want to junk journal about, don't let anyone stop you from journaling about it, even if it's mundane things, or like, who wants to talk about their washing machine? Apparently I do. And I guess that's what I like about junk journaling. There's no rule to it, at least. I mean, for me, I don't want to limit myself. Anyway, so I attached this here. I don't think I'm gonna do anything with the back. It's just gonna be these 2 right here. I realized I lost my letter Y on this one. I'm pretty bummed about it. Okay, I am all done. Again, I do my journaling off cam, but let's see, I'll start off right here. I made a journaling card out of this. I did add this paper so I can journal on the back of it. This one, I had an idea of making some sort of paper clip. I didn't glue this side, so I can just slide it on the back of it. Here, I'll show you. Like, look, I can just slide this on the back, but it ends up here because these two up here are glued. So I glue it just right up here, but this pink one is glued all the way to the journaling card. I made a pocket, my cluster. Again, I'm trying to use my ruffles and my what do you call this, rosettes. Yeah, I have this chipboard sticker, bless this mess, and then this vintage image of a girl doing her laundry. Again, this is about my washing machine. And then this one says laundry. I don't know if you can read it. Life is short, laundry is forever. And I just added the chipboard hamper down here. I don't know who else owns a washer card and a hamper, but yeah, I decided to buy them. And this one is just a decorative paper, which I put the title, A Broken Washer, a Saga. Not the most creative title. And I added this rickrack. This big rickrack. I got this again it's one of the last things I got from Joann's. But yeah, here's my entry. And then I made a little tag and put a staple on the thing just for decorative purposes. I mean, I already glued these two. I got this from, I'm trying to use up the packaging that I got from, let's see, where is that entry? Oh, this. I had so much left of this packaging, so I cut some circles out, or scallops circle, my favorite punch, and yeah, I made a tab out of it. There's also one back there, just a decorative piece. But yeah, here is my entry. I thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.